Suspected supplier of weapons to bandits confessed. A 33-year-old gun runner, Usman, who sells sophisticated guns and ammunition to bandits, has confessed that huge profits lured him into the illegal business. It was until his arrest, a fisher trader. He said doing business with bandits is golden. It is what any businessman would dream of. Bandits pay handsomely in cash for guns and ammunition, unlike the fish business where customers buy on credit. The suspect was arrested by operatives of the Special Task Force. He is assisting them in their investigations. He revealed that he got his supplies from Dei, a satellite town in the FCT, and sold to his customers, who are mostly bandits. He said he preferred to deal with the bandits instead because they pay in cash and guarantee quick returns on investments, adding that he was introduced into the business by one of his friends who saw the hardship he was passing through in his fish business. Police operatives told Daily Sun that the suspect, who has been on their wanted list for some time, was arrested at Maraba Jos in Kaduna State, where he had gone to supply ammunition to bandits. He was found to be in possession of 131 rounds of AK-47 rifle ammunition at the time of his arrest. He was arrested alongside his partner in the business, Usman said after getting his supplies. He usually traveled to either Kaduna or Plateau State to sell them to the criminals. After establishing contact with them, he also said he has been able to escape several security checkpoints mounted along these routes because of the way he usually concealed the items. I was arrested for trading in ammunition, and I had 131 rounds of ammunition for AK-47 rifles, which I was about supplying to bandits. I was asked to deliver the ammunition to one Sani at Marababa, Jos. I was on my way to make the delivery when I was picked up by policemen. They said they have been looking for me. Thank you for listening to this news. This is serious. You see, we are the one killing ourselves. You see, it was said that the ant that is eating the leaf lives inside the leaf. Lives inside the leaf. And now I can see that. I can see that. You see? This is what we see. This is what we experience. It is even one of them, a northerner, that is even doing the delivery. Is that not how one of the notorious kidnapper in Kaduna by name Adamu was equally caught? He is an indigene of Kaduna, and he keeps kidnapping his own people from Kaduna. You see, no wonder Melafia said it, that he was informed that the sponsor of Boko people is a northern governor. And it's possible. Look at it. See how it's happening. See how it's happening. The supplier of the weapon is a northerner. I want you to get it. It's a northerner. A supplier of weapon to the bandit is a northerner. So if the supplier of the weapon to bandit is a northerner, definitely who do you think is going to be the sponsor of the bandits? Do you think it's going to come from the east or from the west? It's still going to be a northerner, because the northerner will want to make use of a northerner to do the delivery for better understanding and flow of business. That's it. That's it. May God help us. I don't know where this country is heading to. And they don't only supply the weapons, they are also used to attack their own people. They are also used to kill their own people just because of money. Listen to what he said. He said, supplying or doing business with a bandit is even more cool than any other business in Nigeria. You can see. You see? This is what we're saying. More cool than any other business in Nigeria. Kilansoyi, may God have mercy on us. May God forgive us. So I don't know where we are heading to this country. I don't know where this country is heading to. Like serious, I don't know where we are heading to. Because what we are seeing in this country is way above us. Whereby a brother will kill his own brother just because of money. No wonder Americans are afraid of us. No wonder they are afraid of us. And they will keep being afraid of us because of our atrocities. Yes, they will. And will definitely. One day. For this kind of human being to open his mouth and say and tell you that doing business with criminals is the best thing that has ever happened in his life. That is to tell you that he enjoys sinking in crime. He enjoys sinking in crime. He enjoys making money as a criminal than making money as a responsible man. Making peanuts as a responsible man. He left a lucrative business to join a criminal business in order to earn a living. Please, Lord, help us. Help us, Lord. Because I don't know where we are heading to. Understand? So, please, my viewers, I don't really know. I'm exhausted. What is your take on this news? What's your observation? What do you think? What do you say? Please, deem it fit to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.